If you're new here, we're rolling with Sanchezs. We've traveled full time. We're a family of 7 because we're about to find out what number 5 is. So
Come here. I knew it.
dang it. Until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Thanks for coming along with us, Branson. And yeah, we will see you guys back in Texas.
Is your baby brother or a sister?
A boy.
It's a boy.
Margie?
Girl.
Carter, you can't say no more because you now know.
Is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl.
If you're new here, we're rolling with Sanchezs. We've traveled full time. We're a family of 7 because we're about to find out what number 5 is. So,
Come here.
if you guys are here, thanks for watching.
Come here. Are you ready? Yes. I thought I'd already explained it.
We explained this twice.
Our gender keeper is a little off. Yeah.
On YouTube Live. But our gender keeper, he needs assistance.
Don't poke him yet.
So that's what it is?
Yes. Okay.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Come here.
What?
Come here.
Remove tape.
Okay.
This way.
You ready? Okay, ready?
Okay. Okay. Hold on. We turn it to the left.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, go.
Wait. What are we doing right now?
I knew it.
Dang it.
What's wrong, Mark? What's wrong? Oh my God, here.
Thank you.
What's wrong?
Carter? You knew what it was, huh, Carter?
What's wrong? Are you happy?
I don't care.
Marg, what do you think?
Mark.
What's in the
Mark. Mark.
That definitely made more of a mess than I expected.
What's wrong? What does that mean?
It's a boy. You feed to a boy to a boy. You feed to a boy to a boy.
What's wrong, Carter? Are you happy?
I don't care.
Marg, what do you think?
Mark.
What's in
Mark. Mark.
Time.
That definitely made more of a mess than I expected.
So guys, you saw it here first. Somebody's very excited. View the sun setting.
This is why we chose this place is because look, you can see everything.
What'd you do?
You knew it was a boy in the
Look,
whole
look, he's doing the gritty. Are you super upset? Can we try to pick up some of the blue?
No,
Yeah,
I don't
let's-
even want to touch it.
No, I don't even want to touch it, is what was just said.
Come on, pick up some of the blue. Like they're putting it in their pockets.
Okay.
You want to keep them so I can show who the boys.
Okay, pick it up. Margaret, it's not that big of a deal, Marg.
Yes, it is.
Why?
Because.
Now you're the only girl. Yay!
Until the next one. Okay.
If you didn't see her response, she's very excited. Are you very excited?
No.
Babe?
Boy.
It's a boy.
Boy.
He's so happy.
Boy,
knew
number?
that from the start.
I knew that from the start, I guess.
I literally knew it from the start because Carter was laughing.
Babe, did we not have a boy name picked out already, though? You guys aren't going to know, but we already had a boy name picked out.
We do have some boy
We kind of
names
knew
in
it would be a
mind.
boy. I told you guys, Houston only makes boys. It's the truth.
That, it's because that Sanchez blood runs strong.
Oh my gosh.
What that means?
Thanks, Gender Keeper.
You did pretty good.
I thought you were pissed off because it was a girl. Hey, are you happy?
Yeah. I tried not to
Grayson?
laugh.
Are you happy?
No.
No, are you happy?
No.
And
If there be a duel, I will whip
super
the
excited.
pieces away.
Thanks, Carter, for being the gender keeper. While we're here on vacation.
Team
Take
that made
number.
it out. This is me.
The only one that screamed their brains out is me. Thank you.
So, Rui, come on. Come on.
She's very devastated currently. Come on.
Yes.
Come on.
Here. Talk to it.
I'm Matt.
Hi, guys.
Next time, if it's a girl, I'm literally picking up all the confettis and I'm taking a little confetti pan.
Let's look. Ready?
Let me see. Let me see.
Smoothly, baby.
Guys, we're having another boy. Yeah! I mean, don't get me wrong, I would have loved to have a girl, but I have my one girl, so I'm alright. The more boys I have, the more that my girls are protected, so, and that, yes, I did say my girls. My beautiful wife and my daughter. They could both be protected by my boys, because Carter, he's older, so yes, he's better protect them if I'm not there. And it's definitely not his job, but my boys, they will protect their mom, their sister, and yeah. Until then, like, subscribe, sorry friends, thanks for watching, don't miss out, hit that follow button. Thanks for coming along with us, Branson, and yeah, we will see you guys back in Texas.